Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about what is YouTube automation. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be discussing everything you need to know about YouTube automation, the basic definition, how it works, and we're also going to explain to you how you will be able to effectively create your own YouTube automation and even suggest some tips and tricks on what tools you should use. Now, YouTube automation basically is creating a YouTube channel without ever showing your face or even using your voice depending on your strategy. And you will be able to earn money through the views that video is generating. And it's called YouTube automation because you're not really showing your face and you can actually automate the process. And I made a whiteboard over here to show you the process. Basically, in general, YouTube automation would require a team to be able to create different videos with efficiency and with as much little time as possible to create a single video, and then you would upload it to a YouTube channel, and then that video would gain some views over time, and then you will be able to earn money through that. But a lot of people don't have the money just yet to be able to hire a team. So basically, you will be able to create your own YouTube automation on yourself, of course, but the process would be incredibly so. And it is highly suggested that you should get yourself a team. Although it is possible, yes, to be able to create your own YouTube automation by yourself, it is highly suggested that you create a team so that you will be able to efficiently create videos as fast as possible. And also to lessen the load on you, of course, and so that you won't really do a lot of the work. Your team members will be the one who will be working with the different tasks. And each team member should have a role, like someone should be the video editor, the thumbnail maker, the content creator, and of course the one who manages your social media and uploads it to YouTube. Or you could be that one person that manages it, and you could let the content creation be for your team members. And the process is usually like this. Someone would create the content, and then they would be recording the video, and then someone would edit it, and then it will be uploaded to YouTube like a basic YouTube video. This is how the process of creating a YouTube video works. But YouTube automation allows you to earn, or it is a technique or a strategy to be able to earn money through YouTube without ever showing your face, like what we are doing right now. We're never showing our face, but we are creating videos that would generate a lot of views potentially now or in the future. Some videos, of course, might not have as high views as the others, but that depends on the niche or the current trend right now in the internet. So, when creating your YouTube automation, you should search early on what type of niche that you should be looking into and what type of niche that you should apply to your entire YouTube channel. And you should stick to that niche no matter what happens. And you could use a certain tool that would allow you to search different niches in YouTube, different channels, and then examine their progress by using Social Plate over here. So you could visit YouTube and you will be able to check out different channels over here. Let's search for a YouTube channel over here. For example, this person over here, Small Cat. Let's open his channel and let's copy their YouTube channel over here. This is what you're basically going to do. You're going to search for a specific YouTube channel and you're going to paste their URL link over here. By doing that, you will be able to find out different information and different data such as their earnings over here. Their current earnings is 1.6k to 25.1k as an estimated monthly earning, which is a lot. So which is a great earning. And you will be able to observe that their niche is basically about different memes in the internet, and then they would be posting about it in the internet, and then people will of course watch those different memes, and they will be able to earn money. As you can see here, during Saturday last week, I'm guessing, but this is the date, they were able to earn $45 to $720 that specific day, which is a lot of money, of course. And that just entails or means that their niche is effective. So you would need to find out the niche that would be effective for you and the niche that you think you would like to do. Of course, you can't really force to choose a niche that you're not good at, a niche that you don't like, and a niche that will make you not really do YouTube anymore. And if you have those niches and you're just targeting the money, you will have a hard time. So find a niche that you will also enjoy making so that you will be able to smoothly create your videos as well. And there are different tools that could make your life easier when creating your automation channel. You could suggest this to yourself, of course, and to your team if ever you already have a team. You could suggest the different tools such as AI to be used for their creation or content creation. Now, there are a lot of AI right now, like ChatGPT, which is really great. And there's also different features that you could utilize. For example, in Clipchamp, where you will be able to turn your text into speech. So basically, you could create videos without even using your own voice, which is very useful. So, for example, in ChatGPT, we could ask it to create a script about finance niche for YouTube. There we go. Just simply click on enter, and ChatGPT will create a script. Let's try it again. ChatGPT mistook our message, so let's go and type it again. Create a script that would allow, or rather, create a script about finance niche for YouTube. There we go. Then simply click on the enter over here, and then there we go. We are now producing our script for our video, just like that. It is very easy. You could use ChatGPT to produce your very script, and then you can simply copy the script over here, use the text-to-speech of Clipchamp or any platform out there that you know. You're not really limited to Clipchamp, but I'm just suggesting because Clipchamp has that specific feature. You could simply put in the text generated by ChatGPT and make a video out of those content. And you will be able to, of course, create a video through that way, although it might take a while, but you will be able to create effective videos like that. And basically, that is how YouTube automation works. Basically, uploading videos without a face or a voice even, and they will be able to earn money through those videos that they have posted. And then, of course, they will be able to gain income through that process, like what you are seeing over here, where they will be able to earn estimated earnings over here daily. And there are a lot of spikes and downs with earning. As you can see, some days the person aren't even earning, but you know, it will be a great niche for you to follow as well. But you should do your own research, look for a niche that you think would be effective, and use our tool over here, Social Blade, to confirm the niche that you're trying to use. And that's basically it. That is what YouTube automation is. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe.